Good morning students, class 1s. How are you students? Okay, fine. I am going to today dealing with you the subject maths magics. Okay. So today's video or class we dealing with the revision classes because we have our first terminal in our exam in the first of the September week. Okay. So मैं आज तुम लोग को revision classes कराऊंगा. Okay. Because we already finished our chapters from 1 to 4. The syllabus is from the chapter 1 to 4 because 4th chapter we have to need in first the terminal exams. Okay. So dear students, maths magics revision classes, these questions not only from the first chapter, second chapter or third chapters, revision classes from all the chapter from 1 to 4. Okay, the limited from 1 to 4. These are the mixed questions from here. The mixed questions रहेंगे and some questions are there 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 section is there. So this type of questions will help you a lot from your upcoming terminal examinations. Okay, so the pattern is very important because you need to know what will be the questions patterns. Okay, question pattern कौन सा रहेगा. Okay, exactly, so that your marks अच्छे से रहे and so that you can prepare yourself in your home. Okay, let's start the classes dear students. So here write the number of given numerals. The first questions. Okay, write the number of given numeral. That means the number 64, 85, 35, 57 are given. All other 2-digit number you have to write the given number in words. Okay, words पे लिखना है. That means the questions. What will the question ask? Write the number of given numerals. That means numerals कौन सा है? That means the numbers are called numerals, isn't it? 64 is the numeral. It is a 2-digit number. 35, 85, 5 and 7, 57s. So these are the numeral digit and we have to write in words. Okay. The first number 64. From 1 to 100 we already know the numbers. This is not very tough because we practice a lot in our houses, in our home. Okay, the 64. The 64, that means the 4 is in the unit place and 6 is in the 10 place. Here 6 tens and 4 1 is here. So that is why the number is called 64. Write as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is coming. The first number is 6. But not 64, 60. We need to write 60 here. Okay, I am showing you 64. S-I-X 6 T T-Y 64 F-O-U-R. Okay, so 64, this number is 64. This way we need to write the numbers. Okay, next one is 35. Here the first number is 3 and second number is 5. That is 35. 3 and 5, 35. The number 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 35. So this way we need to write the numbers here mentioning. Okay, the 64, 35, then 85. Anyone can? 80. Yes, spelling 80. Very good. 80. E-I-G-S-T-Y. 80. 8 means 80. Not 8, 80 because the 8 is in the place of 10 place. 8 tens are here. That is why it is 80 and 5 1 is here. So together 85. 5 is 5. Here 64. 4 is 4. 5. Here 5 is 5 again. Okay, that means the unit digit number in the same way where we पहले हम लोग जैसे लिखा था from 1 to 9, the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 the up to 10 or 9 and 9. Here the same way as it is 85. Okay, the next number is 57. 5 and 7, 57. Spelling 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 57. S-E-V-E-N 7. 57. Okay, fine students. The number of questions almost finished. Their first number is 64. You need to remind this number 64 as with the spelling. Okay, not only the numbers, with the spelling also. 64. S-I-X-T-Y 60, then 4 F-O-U-R 4. Similarly B 35. 30, THIRTY, 35, FIVE, 5. Similarly 85, 8 and 5, 85, EIGHTY, 85, FIVE, 5. And D part 57, 50, FIFTY, 57, SEVEN, 7. Okay, the first portion is finished. The pattern first portion is here. Given that you need to write the numbers in words. Okay, so as this type of pattern may come your exam. Okay, so this portion not only helpful in your first terminal exams, also in the various upcoming like after terminal you have your second terminal, after that half yearly examinations. So this type of portions of pattern will be a lot of helpful for your exams. Okay, in future you have तुम्हारा एक आइडिया बन जाएगा अपने एक एग्जाम्स, हाउ टू डील विद द एग्जाम्स. दैट मीन्स exam, that means to examine that how what we have learned, or and we need to express that learning in the exams. Okay, तो exam पे ये justify होता है dear student. Again number 2 questions, write the missing number. Okay, missing number, here we have seen the question number A, 31 comma dash means the blank portion is given here. Okay, we need to fill up this portions because missing number already given. Missing means miss हो गया. Okay, so missing means nothing here. 31 dash 33, because after the number 31 the 2 must come here, isn't it? So 31, 32 will come here, but missing is here, so we need to write this portion of the missing portions. Okay, 33 dash 37 and this way. So same way other questions or other numbers are given. So first of all, starting from the A part. Okay, 31, after 31, 31, 31, 32, 32. Okay, 33 is given, 33, 33, after that 3, 4, 34. Very good. After that 3, 5, 35. Next 3, 6, 36, 3, 7, 37, 3, 8, 38. Okay, complete. Up to 38 we need to write here, because after 38 no option is given. So from the 31 to 38, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are missing. So we need to put all these 5 numbers according to their pattern. Okay, pattern is very important. We need to first observe the pattern, dear students. First of all, observe the pattern, and after that we need to write the pattern. This is simple because all the numbers are given here, not in 2 orders, 1 orders. It is following in a chronological order as it is in our table, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 100. Here all the numbers are 2-digit number. That means all the numbers are below 100. Okay, first of all we are in class 1, so we need to write the numbers or dealing with the numbers only up to 100. Okay, next B part, 16 is given, dash 20. Okay, after 16 3 numbers here we have to write. 3 numbers are missing, and there's again after 20 dash again 3 numbers. That means 3 plus 3, 6 numbers are missing here. Okay, let's find the missing numbers. 16, after 16, okay, 17 will come, 16, 17, and after 17, 18, then 19, then 20. 20 is here already given. After 20, 21, after 21, 22, then after 22, 23. Okay, see 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, 6 numbers are missing, and here are the 6 numbers. Those numbers 17, 18, 19, and after 21, 22, 23, because 20 and 16 is already given. Okay, fine, dear students. The easy this way. All are in chronological orders. Okay, not very tough. The 21, 22. After that, next questions. 21, 22 is given as dash 1, 2, 3 part is blank. 26 again blank, again 28. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to write here only 4 numbers. Okay, 21, 21, 21, 22, 22. After that 2, 3, 23, then 2, 4, 24, then 2, 5, 25, then 2, 6, 26, then 2, 7, 27. Okay, so this way we need to write the numbers. D portions dash 50 dash 52 dash 54 dash 56. Okay. Alternatively, one number is blank given here. Okay. The pattern is the same because all are in chronological orders. Okay. Only we have to start the numbers here. The blank portion is given. The before 50, which number will come first? Before 50. Remind, dear student, 50 in the house of 5. Before 5 in the house, which number is in the come? 40 obviously. 40 40, 41 41, 42 42, 43 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. After 49, 50 will come. So, the before 50 we must write here the number is 49. Okay. The 49, 50, after that 51, 52, okay, 53, 54, 55 is here. That means 49, 51, 53 and 55. These are the 4 numbers missing here. Simple, dear students. The last one, the 2 E part. Okay. Now, here are the numbers in 9 house. That means in 90s house. First number is blank. The 91, 91, 92, blank, blank, 95. Okay. The first number 91 is given, but before that first number blank portion is given, and before the numbers 91, which number will come? Please remind. It is 9 and 0, 90. Is that it, dear student? After 90, 91 will come, 92 here. The same way 93, 94, 95 is given, 96 and 97 in the last portions. Okay. How many numbers are missing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are missing. Yes. So, this way the questions pattern will may come also in your upcoming exams. Okay, dear student. So, these are the important questions pattern. Keep in mind. So, you need to keep practicing so that you can get good score in your upcoming exams. Okay. Okay, dear students, let's proceed to the next questions. Number 3, what comes before and after? The words here given before and after. Which number will come before and after? Okay, the same as the pattern here given. So many numbers are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. In number of here 8 numbers. That means total missing and given numbers total is 8 in a line. Okay, the 8 numbers here, only 2 numbers will come because the words before and afters only one number is given. Either it is predecessors or either it is predecessor and successor. The word also here we can utilize predecessor and successor, but it is simple to use before and after, because the word predecessor and after will come in your next class 2 Maths Magic subject. Okay, so sorry dear students, so before and after will be convenient for you in this class. Okay, so before numbers, which number will come first? Before 32, remind, 31, dear student. After 31, 32 will come, and B, 23 is given, but 23 is given and next portion is blank. After 23, 24. Okay, and C portion, C part 49. After 49, 50 will come, isn't it? The 50, the numbers, and after D, before 90, the which number will come? 89, 89, and after 89, the 90 house comes. Okay, so before the number 90, the number will come 989. Okay, I mistakenly underlined this numbers. Okay, 90 is already given here, so just we need to put the numbers before 90. Okay, and E portions 70 is given. The before 70, which number will come? Before 70, 69 will come. Okay, 69 and 70. Okay, my student. And F 65, after 65, which number will come? 65, 66, double 6, 66, 66 will come. Okay, so this way we need to do these questions. So that means number 3, what comes before and after? The word if mentions what comes after and before. You need to just remind you the table from 1 to 100. Okay, just here exactly or the previous numbers or exactly after the numbers will come. Okay, that means 49, after 49 50 here, then before 32 1 is here. So this way we need to write the numbers here if the question asks what comes before and afters. Okay, fine dear students, I hope you understand the questions. Okay, the number 3 is finished. Last questions, that is question number 4, edit the sums. Okay, edit the sums, that means we need to sum up the numbers. Here the numbers 9 plus 2 is equal, blank box is given. That means which pattern is this? Is it the horizontal or vertical? Dear students, yes, it is in horizontal orders. Horizontally we need to add these numbers. Okay, additions means the pattern here come in horizontally, maybe in your questions paper it is vertically will come also. Okay, maybe come. So all are important, but the additions part, edit the sum, here the additions method tricks is the same will be, just you need to put the value or write the numbers in horizontally. Okay, here the numbers 9 and 2. First 9 number is given, if we add it to 9 plus 2, so how much will it come? The 9. Okay, 9 here given, I am showing here with the line stick. Okay, the 1 2 3 4 5, again 6 7 8 9, here the 9 lines, and again 2 1 2, the total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. That means if we added 9 to 2, the number will come here 11. Fine dear students. Okay, this way you need to do, because in our hand 9 fingers are there, but together it will come 9, because 5 because in our one hand 5 fingers are there, together 5 plus 5 10, but 9 plus 2, that is 11. That means together in our hand 10 fingers, the one more numbers will come. That is why I am writing this way or giving you the hints to this way to do this sums. Okay, if the number is bigger one, the better to do this way. Okay dear students. Okay, next questions. 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3, first the number is 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and after 6 3, 1 2 3, the total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, the numbers 9. Okay, together 6 plus 3 9. Same as it is 8 plus 3. Let's see, 8 plus 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 3, 1 2 3, that means total 1 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, that is the number will come here 11. Same as it is as alias A, because 9 plus 2 makes 11 and 8 plus 3 also makes 11. Okay, the same, the answer will come. Similarly D part, 5 plus 4, in our hand 5 fingers are here, let's count, 5 fingers are here, 1 2 3 4 5, and plus 4 numbers here, 4 5 6 7 8 9, that means total 5 plus 4 comes 9. C D E, right now E portions, again 4 plus 2, we can count this number in our fingers, 4 plus 2, the 4 and 2 together, the 1 2 3 4 5 6, that means 4 plus 2 together makes 6. Okay, similarly 3 plus 7, the 3 plus 7, let's do this in the by drawing method. Okay, 3 1 2 3, and again 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, that means 3 plus 7 is equal 10. Okay, fine dear student. So this way we need to do these questions. Okay, very simple and solutions part. So you need to do this work in accurately and clearly. Okay, fine dear student, not very tough. Always keep in mind that in your exam you need to just do this not very tough type questions here. You need to first observe the questions, and after that you need to solve this questions pattern. Okay, so that, and also keep in mind that you need to write the numbers or any other part in the, either maybe in words, you need to write all the part in your clear handwriting. Okay, the handwriting is also a part of this solutions. Okay, so that your examiner attract in your handwriting or attract with your solutions. Okay, so dear students, hopefully you gain lots of ideas for today's class. Again मैं और भी क्लासेस नेक्स्ट जो अपकमिंग एग्जाम के लिए होगा एंड पार्ट 2 वीडियो लेके आऊँगा. टिल देन, थैंक यू dear students, and keep practicing with this in your home. Goodbye.